Hey guys, what's up? I am back with another unboxing video. It's time to unbox the Vivo Y28, and guys, and this is a new mid-range phone from Vivo, and this phone is costing around only 50,000 PKR here in the Pakistan market. And this is a new phone in the Vivo Y series. So on the back we have some more specification about the phone. And this phone has a 6000 mAh battery size with a 44 watt super fast charging. On the front we have a high brightness infinity O display. We also have stereo speakers on this phone, and the color I have is the gleaming orange color. Also we have 8 GB of RAM with 128 GB of internal storage, and this one is also manufactured in Pakistan. Also this one is powered by Helio G85 SoC, which is a really old SoC. I am expecting more in this phone. Anyways, let's quickly unbox the Vivo Y28 in the orange color. First, let me remove the plastic with my knife. So now let's open this box. So on the top we have our device, Vivo Y28 in the orange color. As you can see, on the back we have a glossy finish. Although the packet is made up of plastic, and this phone feels, I would say, slightly more heavier as compared to the 5000 mAh battery size Vivo phone, but this phone, it fits excellent in my hand. So now let's quickly boot this phone up. We also have screen protector, which is already installed on the front. Vivo logo it is here. So again, on the back we have a dual cameras. So let's see what else we get other than the phone. The first thing, we have a soft silicone case. Also we have warranty card as well as a quick start guide, and here is our charger. And guys, and this is a 44 watt super fast charger. Also we have our cable, which is a USB type C to USB A cable. We have a SIM ejection tool inside the box. Inside the box we don't have any hand free. As you can see, only the SIM ejection tool, it is available inside the box. So now let's put all these things to the side. And guys, on the bottom we have our speaker, USB-C port, main microphone, as well as headphone jack. On the left hand side we have our SIM tray. So now look at the SIM tray on this phone. So you can see it is a hyper SIM slot, and this phone also has a IP64 water and dust resistance. So that is why we have a rubber gasket. Again, we have a hybrid SIM slot. So on the top we have absolutely nothing. On the right hand side we have volume up and volume down rocker with a power on a button, in which we also have fingerprint scanner. So on the back we have a dual cameras. Actually on the back we have a dual cameras. We have a 50 megapixel main camera, then we have 2 megapixel which is a depth sensor with a LED flash. So you can see in the camera bump it is not that big. Let's talk about the display, and this one has a 6.6 inch 720p plus IPS LCD display with 90 Hz refresh rate. Again, we have a center punch hole on the top, and the bottom chin, even the side passes, I would say it is not the greatest in this price range. Now let's quickly set up this phone up. And guys, here is the first boot of the Vivo Y28. And guys, some first impression about the display quality. Again, this phone has the IPS LCD display. Let's see the max brightness. So the display, I would say, looks really bright, especially for indoors. Again, we have a 720p resolution. So here's the notification panel looks like. Let's go to the settings. Let's go about phone, and this one is running on Android 14. Also we have Vivo FunTouch OS version 14, Helio G85 SoC on this phone. We have 128 GB of internal storage out of only 108 GB it is available for you guys. Let's see the fingerprint scanner. So the fingerprint scanner, it works absolutely fast. Let's look at the camera. So here is the main camera looks like. So here's the portrait mode, and here is the night mode. Let's see video recording size with the back camera, and the back camera maximum shoot only Full HD at 30 fps. We don't have any 4K support. In the mode section we also have 50 megapixel mode, we also have slow motion, we also have pro mode. So all those things it is available on this phone. Let's look at the front facing camera. On the front we only have 8 megapixel, and the 8 megapixel selfie camera, I would say it is okay, not the best anyways. Here's the portrait mode, and here is the night mode, and the front camera also shoot only Full HD at 30 fps, and the slow motion it is not available with the front facing camera. And now let's talk about the battery size. Again, this one has a 6000 mAh battery size, and combined with the 44 watt super fast charging, and this one should give you at least 1.5 day of battery life on heavy use without any problem. And that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Vivo Y28. And do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and follow me on Instagram as well as on X, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.